In America, we care deeply about our pets. In 2007, we spent over $21 billion trying to assure our 154 million dogs and cats longevity and quality of life. Felines and canines experience the same incredible benefits of Moxxor as do humans. So much so that at Moxxor we've decided to develop a veterinary advisory board. Recently I visited with one board member, Dr. Matt Wheaton. Dr. Wheaton is a lifelong Southern Californian and resident of Laguna Beach. He's a second-generation veterinarian following in his dad's footsteps. After graduating from veterinary school at University of California at Davis, Matt Wheaton moved to West Los Angeles to invest an additional year learning the specialty of emergency room medicine and surgery. He subsequently spent 3 years as an emergency room vet in Orange County, California. Dr. Wheaton acquired the Alicia Pet Care Center in Mission Viejo, California in 2000. His new award-winning veterinary clinic and hospital opened in its present location last year. This beautiful high-tech facility allows Matt Wheaton and wife Blythe to fuel their passions. The affordable spay and neuter clinic in Laguna Hills, California, and the Pet Rescue Center in Mission Viejo, both 501c3 nonprofit foundations. His nonprofit endeavors serve the community in a number of ways, and Dr. Wheaton works tirelessly to reduce the number of healthy dogs and cats that are euthanized due to overpopulation. This year alone, the clinic in Laguna will perform approximately 8,000 affordable spay and neuters on dogs and cats. Dr. Wheaton takes a holistic approach to treatments for his patients, and less than a half a year ago, Matt Wheaton discovered Moxxor and is off to a very fast start. Dr. Wheaton's holistic approach to veterinary medicine facilitates a culture which strives to teach pet owners how to properly care for their pets and prevent disease. Dr. Wheaton believes that is the key to keeping your pet healthy and happy over the years. Today's veterinary medicine is far more complex than taking your dog or cat in for their shots periodically. It's highly trained technicians and nurses working seamlessly to provide an unparalleled level of care for your beloved pet. Providing pets a home away from home, caring for their hygiene, assuring their quality of life through exercise and preventative health maintenance program is what quality veterinary care is all about today. Recently, I had the opportunity to visit with Dr. Wheaton, and here's our conversation. Please share with our distributors your thoughts on Moxxor, the product, and the opportunity that you saw to leverage your efforts and overlay your Moxxor business on your veterinary practice.
I chose to bring Moxxor in because I've got a lot of experience with using omega-3 fatty acids for my patients over the last several years. I was really impressed by the research that was done with Moxxor and the greenlet mussel. The polarity and the increased bioavailability of that product really shows the power that can be behind omega-3s, and it also comes in a easy to administer small capsule for my patients, very affordable, and the added antioxidant was huge, so that we can provide a natural anti-inflammatory for our pets that actually works.
As you and I have had a chance to get to know each other a little bit, you've said to me that omega-3s are not new to veterinarians. This is something you study in school?
Yes, we study in school, and a lot of the research that's being done on omega-3s is done on animals. We've known about omega-3s for a long time and their benefits with treating certain types of cases like allergies and dermatitis and things like that. So I've had omega-3s as part of my arsenal for 10 years.
Let's talk about your personal Moxxor testimony and that of your family members.
You know, I've had arthritis for several years, secondary to snowboarding injuries and things like that. So I took it for about a month before bringing it in. within about 5 days of taking it, I noticed a huge difference with my shoulder arthritis. My wife is also on it. She's about 6 months pregnant right now. My mom has a number of different conditions, including arthritis, chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia. She's feeling much better on it. My little brother, in his words, wakes up in the middle of the night and walks like Frankenstein to go to the bathroom because his ankles are so sore. That went away after about 2 weeks.
Wow.
So definitely easy to see improvements with the family members. I have some pretty amazing stories that are coming in from my patient population. Probably the most striking one was the 15-year-old Shih Tzu that had really severe dementia, was barking at walls and things that weren't there, kind of pulled away from interacting with the family, and after about 10 days of using Moxxor, went back to playing with the owners, acting like a 3-year-old dog again. That was the only change that we did. Omega-3s have shown huge results in dealing with dementia, proper brain function, and Alzheimer's disease in people. It's well known, and these kind of things work, just as well with dogs.
Dr. Wheaton, you were interviewed on a recent weekly global distributor call, and you said, quote, "Moxxor is the holy grail of omega-3s and antioxidants," end quote. Why?
What I meant by that was that there really is no product out there that is like Moxxor. When you look at the research that's been done on the green-lip mussel compared to every other omega-3 from every other source, the green-lip mussel basically kicks butt over everything else. So that's what I meant by that. For me, the omega-3 coupled with an antioxidant that provides a natural preservative and also the benefits of the antioxidant, along with this turbo-powered omega-3, it's huge. There's nothing else out there that is like Moxxor.
Matt Wheaton, thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for being part of our Moxxor family.